Hey guys, so today, I hope y'all can see me. Okay, look at my husband right there. I'm about to make a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. A big ass Philly cheesesteak sandwich. My eyes are so red. I don't know what got in it, but yeah, let's get started. Alright, y'all, we're gonna go over ingredients real quick. This is the baguette that I'm using. Everything I got for this recipe came from Walmart. Every single thing, all of it. This is the sirloin Philly steak that I'm using. I'm using provolone and Swiss cheese. And like I said, it all came from Walmart. You can use fresh steak if you prefer, but I wanted this recipe to be easy and super simple. So I got the basic stuff that you found in any supermarket. Alright, so I'm going to be using orange and green peppers, lots and lots of fresh thyme, onion, and of course spicy girl. Next, you want to put your meat down in your pan. I probably should have thawed out my meat, but I didn't. I used it frozen. Eventually it broke down for me. So you want to saute it down, get it nice and browned. It says seasoned on the packet, but when I tasted a little piece of it, it wasn't seasoned. So make sure you taste it and season for salt, pepper, and your favorite seasoning. I'm using Spicy Girl on here because that's what I had on hand. And it's really good on anything. Then you want to saute it down really good. Break down your onions and your peppers. And, just get it and show it some love. Give it some love, y'all. Now, this is my bread. I cut my bread right down the middle. And I took out some of the insides because I really want my meat and cheese to get down in there. So, that's what I did. Right here, I'm showing you guys how it broke down for me. At this point is where you really want to, you could chill now. Now you can start adding your cheese. My bread is actually in the oven right now, toasting up, getting nice and crunchy. And I'm alternating my Swiss and my provolone cheese. So this is what you get. You're just going to cover it so your cheese can melt. Now my bread, they're nice and toasted. They're not too dark because I didn't want my bread to get too hard. So this is what they look like. And now we're just going to fill them up. Fill them up, fill them up, But next, I'm going to put my mayo down. You can put whatever condiment you want to in here. I'm using mayo and ketchup because I wanted mayo and ketchup. So that's what I'm using. But you can use any condiment you prefer in your sandwich. Again, this might not be for everyone. I didn't say it was authentic, but it's good. So yeah. And then this is what it looks like once you take the top off. The heat was on number 2, which is super low. And I just left it there for like 5 minutes so the cheese can melt. Yes, period. But this is what, ooh, y'all, look. I know you lying. That looks bomb. Y'all, look at this. I can't even talk right. Yeah, so the reason why I got on the camera is because I'm not going to be eating on camera today. I've been eating on every other video, and I won't be today because I'm spending quality time. But this is the Philly cheesesteak. It might not be authentic to most, but this is Mesha's Corner way. Okay? Anyway, guys, I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.